Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle cowl induction hood. It's got a 350 engine in it. Headers have been added, power steering, front power disc brakes, Optima red battery, polished aluminum intake, chrome alternator, and also upgraded aluminum radiator. It's got the front hood pins like an SS. It's not a real SS. This car also has these American Racing torque thrust aluminum wheels with front power disc brakes, as you can see there. Nice chrome throughout the car. Trim, weather stripping has been all nicely redone. Black factory appearance split bench interior, back seat belts, nice headliner, package tray. Upgraded radio, as you can see there, and I'll go over that in a minute here. Trunk has been redone. It's nice underneath, very solid. Okay, it's just dirt. But quarters have been replaced, and they did a nice job with aligning everything properly. Spare tire, as you can see there. Stripes have been painted. Nice chrome, SS pad, dual exhaust. Really, really nice stance on the Chevelle. Original factory door lips on both sides. Inner outer jambs are nice and crisp, as you can see there. Nice dash. Nice black interior, guys. Cool car. Great price for the vehicle. The paint job on the car, it looks wet, as you guys can see. Let me start it. Just want you guys to hear it, and then we'll go over a couple things, okay? All right. It's got the red LED lights throughout the car all set up. No horn, okay? Wipers do work, as you can see. Lights do function, okay? We got the left turn signal. The right turn signal, okay. RPM tech does function. Radio works along with the gauges, as you can see there. I'll have to check the voltage gauge. It's not reading, but it's probably a loose wire. Otherwise, it sounds great. Take a listen. There you have it, folks. Even the door buzzer works. If you need financing and if your credit score is between, now listen to me closely, 650 between 799, that's 650 to 799, you will need 10% down on buying or financing this vehicle. For those of you who have a little bit higher credit score, like 800 plus, we have a no money down option. Rates start at 6.94%. Payment is tailored around your income and your debts. Make sure the payment is comfortable. So we can do that for you. You can find the credit application at MGMClassicCars.com in the upper right-hand corner. You guys can go ahead and take care of that. If you need financing, you know where to go, okay? If you need delivery, you need to text me. And I say text. Text me what? Your zip code. And you can text it to 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. This is my showroom at MGMClassicCars.com. I got 2 showrooms full of hand-picked classic cars and some newer stuff. Give us a call, 847-848-1850, or text me for quicker response. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.